De Bruyne sends it forward.
We're gonna burn it down.
He might be in here.
Burn it down.
Still rather frustratingly.
We're gonna burn
Great
it down.
chance! They've scored!
Burn it down. I killed it. It's murder.
Well, I think there's a few trying to claim offside, but he looks to have been on. Yeah, he was on. Best.
Fiddles it through. What can we make of this? He's through!
I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker.
Played out to the left flank, and there's his chance to lead the counter. Well, he wasn't being taken in by that trickery. Taken straight back. Takes on his marker. He's tried one! And it's Guerrero. Well, certainly pressing with Guerrero. Dribble past his man here. Guerrero looking to break out here. Now it's Mbappe.
It's murder. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker.
I killed it. I killed it. I killed it.
Casemiro.
I killed it, it's murder.
Magnificent! A finish right from the top draw!
Show them.
Guerrero. And he's had it hit! Oh! Fantastic! A finish right from the top draw! That could well be the winner!
I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder.
Go crazy, berserker.